In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a hotel website in Wix for 2025. First, let's start by going to the Wix website. Once you're there, you'll want to make your way to the site accessibility page. This is a great moment to ensure that your website will be easily navigable and meet all the accessibility requirements your guests might need. Ready to dive in? The next step is to click on the Create New Site button. This is your launchpad into building something amazing from the ground up. Let this moment inspire you, because here is where your hotel's digital presence begins to take shape. After you've started creating your new site, you'll want to set it up directly by clicking on Setup Without Chat. By doing this, you're opting for a hands-on experience that lets you have full control over the setup process without the input of their chat-based assistant. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each part, so you won't miss any important details. Next, it's time to choose the right category for your site. Since we're focused on setting up a platform for your hotel, select the Hotel and Travel category. This introduces elements and design templates that are perfectly suited for a hospitality business, ensuring your site tells your brand story beautifully. Once you've chosen your category, click on Continue. This is where the customization fun begins. You'll see a variety of options and tools that will allow you to make the site uniquely yours. Let's take a closer look at customizing room settings. It's essential to add specific details for each room in your hotel. Start with the room names and descriptions, ensuring they are not only accurate, but also enticing. Capture potential guests' attention with a well-written description that highlights the charm of each room. Adding photos is crucial. Choose high-quality images that showcase your room's best features, as good visuals can be a deciding factor for guests browsing through your website. Don't forget to include the price per night, ensuring it reflects your current rates and any seasonal changes. Highlight the amenities available, such as Wi-Fi and breakfast options, to make sure guests know exactly what comforts they can expect. Lastly, detail your cancellation policies transparently so guests are fully informed before making a reservation. Now that your rooms are set up, it's time for booking and payments. Make sure you integrate a seamless booking system which allows guests to easily book a stay directly through your website. Additionally, set up a secure payment system for transactions, making sure to offer multiple payment options to accommodate all types of guests. This combination will make booking easy and payment secure, providing a positive user experience from start to finish. With these steps completed, your hotel website on Wix will be engaging, informative, and a true reflection of your hotel's unique identity. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!